Hey, hey everyone, welcome to today trade recap. So today we have this is simply at the daily chart. And if you went to the hourly, I notice that you have this eco highs right there. These are an eco highs. Alright. And we have this daily FEB gap. And we have an SMT created in the during the opening builds at 9:30. And we have a new day opening gap, sorry. Right there. Right. So what we have is equal highs, daily FEB gap, SMT on the daily, day opening gap, and SMT at the hourly. Go to the 15 minutes. What I noticed on the live stream is this FEB. So this could work as a magnet for the price. There was this swing high above it. This is work as a device liquidity. Okay. So new day opening gap, hourly SMT, the swing high, and a FEB above it. We go to the 3 minutes. The most obvious change in the state of delivery was in the 5 minute. The 5 minute they had this USD right here. We go to the 1 minute. Okay. Right. So going at the opening, I saw this huge move to the upside. And I had some fear of missing out. Right. And I tried to call it here. Okay, but I didn't. And it fell right there. And the issue today was my stop loss was too tight. I place it probably here or here. And if you go to my trading dashboard, which is my trading journal and my trading plan, is right there. Stop loss at the SMT swing high or low. Okay. So I break it and I get stopped out right there. But the good thing that I did, which I write it down right here. So this is daily review. So what I did wrong, with my stop loss, what I did right is waited for another IFPG to re-enter. Right here. I'm showing you the chart. Okay. So after this stop, and we have this value gap right here. Okay. And I went to the 3 minutes real time. It's on my live stream. And I drew this value gap just to know the midpoint. See, and as you can see, we didn't close below it, we closed above it. We didn't average this 3 minutes, so we still bullish. Okay. Even though we have SMT right here. Even that SMT. Because in order for this SMT to be valid, I need 3 minutes to inverge. Okay, because I was looking, I said if we could be bearish, this could be the OL or the target, which is get filled but later on, right? So after we inverge this, I keep waited until we close above this, so I can count this as a order block. So re-enter right here. Stop was just right there, and TP right here. Just like 3R, maybe my stop right there. This isn't already. Maybe some say, well, why didn't I place my stop right there? Because this is my trading plan. But the case here is different. We already the point of placing my stop right here, because sometimes this happen. I know this happened. This is why I place my stop right there, because this is a protected low because of the SMT. But now, after this move, this is show me that's this is hunt liquidity and it's already done its job. It's like stabbing, orders. So it already done its job, and it have this FEB gap which could converge. So this is a nice trade. So enter here, stop probably right there, and this is like 3 hour, 2.5 hour. I draw my standard deviations right there as well. Right, which align with the FEB gap right here. Really nice trade right there, and we end up going lower. We didn't fill this gap or hit this equal highs because we create an SMT here. Sometimes it doesn't respect this, but this time it did. All right, we go back to the sell side pattern I was pointing at. So this could be trade like that. Hmm. If I would enter this, but I wouldn't have done my job. I would use this as my target because this is a low resistance liquidity right here. Wait a minute. Um, Nothing very clean. It's choppy, so I probably would wait for this right here. And put it right there. I probably would enter here. A stop. I don't know. Okay. Look at this. Okay, so this is nice because it respects this pivot gap. We can use this as an order block. There was a method that I read. I saw an ICT 2024 mentorship. It says when we start to change the state of delivery and there's a gap and the candle that touch it, you know. So the candle that touch this close below the midpoint, or just touch the midpoint and are completely reverse after it become an order block like this. As we can see, the next candle body close below the previous one body. So this is an order block. And place your trade right here, and this is gonna be a high RR trade, but I don't do this. This is like ICT stuff, deep stuff. I don't do this. This is going to be right here. It was ridiculous, so I will stick to this. To win 8R, nice. So this is my trade recap, and be safe.